Wait, do you like this soft Aurora heart nail set? It has that little sparkle, but it still looks clean on the hand. I'm starting with a soft nude pink base first because with this many small details, I don't want the nail to look too busy. A clean base gives all the shimmer, hearts, and tiny accents more room to show. For this finger, I'm keeping the sparkle mostly on the tip. I love doing it this way because it gives the nail that bright summer shine, but it still feels clean. If the whole nail is covered in glitter, it can start to feel a little too much. So here, just the tip is enough. It catches the light, but it doesn't take over the whole set. Now this is the part I really like. For the ring finger, I'm using that soft Aurora cat eye glow first. Then I pull the light into a little heart shape. I don't want it to look like a heavy painted heart. I want it to feel like the heart is made out of light. Then I add a few tiny white dots and little stars around it, just enough to make it feel dreamy. For the other nails, I'm adding a little soft gold at the tips. This part is not supposed to be loud. It just gives the set a warmer glow and makes the simpler nails feel more finished. And when I brush through the gel, it leaves these soft little lines. That detail keeps the whole set looking polished without adding too much. Once the gloss goes on, all the little details come together. The Aurora heart, the tiny sparkle, the soft gold lines. Everything gets that clean, glassy finish. Well, I like that this set has a lot to look at, but it still doesn't feel too heavy. It's sweet, shiny, and really easy to wear for summer. So tell me, do you like this soft Aurora heart look, or would you go for something bolder?